There's a man, this is somebody's trying to kill him, and he's got
What's the name of the street, sir?
Main Drive.
And he has a gun?
Yeah, he's got a gun in his belly, and he just jumped the fence, and he's going down the field now.
Adam 110, Adam 135. Being route for a suspicious subject in the area of Main Drive. They saw a male, like he appeared to be, had a gun in his waistband walking through the field. He jumped the fence. It's a Hispanic male, white shirt, blue jeans. Looks like they were heading towards the trailer area.
Adam 110 on 10-4.
No cohetes, no cuchillos. BB gun? Okay. Hands arriba, okay?
El coronel me anda pitando la Raza Unida en medio.
Okay. For right now?
Sí, tengo una navajita chiquita en la bolsa.
Un minuto, okay? Adam 110, I got his BB gun in his waistband. No there, no cuchillos, no cohetes.
Tengo una navajita.
Tengo nada.
Una navajita.
Okay, don't reach.
No,